ವೆಲ್ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ನಾಲ್ಕು ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳು ಸಹ the variables x and y are representing with a common parameter t or theta, something like that, and those will be known as the parametric forms of the function. And we shall solve one by one how we are going to get the differentiations of those things now, right? Look at the first problem, right? First model problem. X is equal to sin t, y is equal to cos 2t. This is the problem. Now, we should differentiating both the functions with respect to t. T is the variable. Therefore, your dx by dt is equal to differentiation of sin t is cos t. What is your dy by dt to be considered? Differentiation of cos ax is minus 2 sin 2 theta. Minus 2 sin 2t. Okay? Then we know that this is the thing very important you should write. Your dy by dx should be is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. This is This is the dy by dx. What you should get? Now here beko adun. What is the next stage? I want to substitute dy by dt and dx by dt and then simplify. That's all. Therefore, your dy by dx is equal to, what is it? Dy by dt minus 2 times of sin 2t, minus 2 sin 2t divided by, what is it? Dx by dt cos t. Simplify the problem. I will simplify this. Your dy by dx is equal to minus 2 on. What is the value of sin 2x? 2 sin x into cos x, or 2 sin t into cos t divided by cos t. One of the cos t cancel. So that your final answer is minus 2 to the 4 sin t. 4 sin t will be your answer. That's all. So first you should write both x and y with respect to the independent variable differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then in the formula for dy by dx, substitute, simplify. Simple logic. Shall we look at one more similar problem? Look at the last one here, which is similar to that. Let me solve that. X is equal to a secant theta, then y is equal to b tan theta. Y is equal to b tan theta. Here function. Here both the variables are represented by the parameter theta. Differentiate both functions with respect to theta. Differentiate. Then what will happen to your dx by dt is equal to a into a constant. What is differentiation of secant theta? Secant theta into tan theta. Differentiation of secant theta. A simple differentiation. Now here, what is your dy by dt? B constant under differentiation of tan theta is secant square theta. Next time we know that, so the value of dy by dx can be written as dy by dt ಡಿ ಥೀಟಾ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ dx by d theta ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು by the concept of parametric differentiations. Now substitute dy by d theta and dx by d theta. Therefore, your dy by dx is equal to, what is dy by d theta? Here is there b into secant square theta. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? Divided by, what is dx by d theta? a into secant theta into tan theta. One of the secant theta cancel. So your result is b by a into secant theta divided by tan theta. ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಂದರೂ ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫರ್ದರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. Therefore your dy by dx is equal to b by a constant ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. What is secant theta? 1 by cos theta. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? By the definition of trigonometric functions already. What is tan theta? Can be done as sin theta divided by cos theta. Both denominator cos theta cancel. Okay. Then what is the remaining thing? b by a into 1 by sin theta ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. So that your final answer dy by dx is equal to b divided by a into, what is 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. That's all. Very simple answer. ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಲಭ. You should be very careful while writing these two parameters. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ with respect to theta ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, dy by dx ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇವೆರಡು ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದೇ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? Shall we look at one more? ಮೂರನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. Yes. Look at the next problem. Let me solve this second problem here. Right? Or third problem for my session. X is equal to a into theta plus sin theta. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Then what is the value of y is given? a into 1 minus cos theta ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. a into 1 minus cos theta. I am reading both the ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Parameter ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ theta is the parameter. Differentiate both the function x and y with respect to theta. Differentiating with respect to theta. Now your dx by d theta will becomes a into, what is the differentiation of theta with respect to theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Differentiation of x with respect to x is to 1. Differentiation of theta with respect to theta is to 1. Differentiation of sin theta is to cos theta. Close. dx by d theta close. What is your dy by d theta? Check ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ a ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. Differentiation of 1 is to 0 minus. What is the differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta becomes plus sin theta, which is nothing but a into sin theta. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? Therefore your dy by dx will be is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? This is the parametric differentiation procedure. Now substitute and then simplify. Therefore your dy by dx is equal to, shall I substitute dy by d theta? a into sin theta divided by dx by d theta a into 1 plus cos theta. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ a ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಾ? I use the two results. ನನಗೆ ಎರಡು ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. We know that sin theta na 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. Whereas the value of 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಇವೆರಡು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. Let us substitute these two results in dy by dx. Definitely, your dy by dx will become sin theta 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 whole divided by. What is denominator? 1 plus cos theta ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 2 cos square theta by 2. One of the two cancel. One of the cos theta by 2 cancel. Now write the final answer. dy by dx is equal to, what is the term remaining in the numerator? Sin theta by 2. The term remaining in the denominator? Cos theta by 2. Now we know that sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 becomes tan theta by 2. This is your final answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ನನಗೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ PUC ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಓದಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಎರಡೂ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಚಳಿ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೋರ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ರೈಟ್ ಅಪ್. Right. We shall look for one more problem. Right. Problem ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ. X is equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Y is equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Parameter ಯಾವುದು? theta. Let me to differentiate with respect to theta. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? dx by dt, differentiation of cos x is minus sin theta. Okay. Differentiation of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2 theta. ಜ್ಞಾಪಕವಿರಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, this will becomes plus 2 sin 2 theta. Differentiation of cos theta ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? minus sin theta. Cos 2 theta ಗೆ minus 2 sin 2 theta, minus of minus plus 2 sin 2 theta. dy by dx will be differential of sin theta is to cos theta minus, what is the differentiation of sin 2 theta is 2 cos 2 theta. 2 cos 2 theta. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? Now I will write dy by dx as dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Your dy by dx is equal to, what is dy by d theta? Cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta divided by 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. First sin theta 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. Shall I simplify further now? Write on this breather now. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ cos 2 theta ಗೆ 2 cos square theta minus 1 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. sin 2 theta ಗೆ 2 sin theta cos theta ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಫರ್ದರ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಶಲ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Look at another problem. X is equal to a into theta minus sin theta. What is the value of y once again? A into 1 plus cos theta. This is the result. So, the parameter theta is the parameter. let me to differentiate both the functions with respect to theta. With respect to theta. Now, what will happen to your dx by d theta ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾ? Differentiation of theta with respect to theta is 1. Differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Simple. What is your dy by d theta? Is equal to a into differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. So that this will becomes minus a into sin theta. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? So, a well-known result, ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta ಅಂತ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಅದೇನಪ್ಪ? Now substitute those two things here. Therefore, your dy by dx will becomes, what is the dy by d theta? Minus a into sin theta divided by dx by d theta a into 1 minus cos theta. One of the a cancel, right? Now write those two results. ಎರಡು results ಬರೀರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಯಾವುದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್? sin theta ಗೆ 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. And the result of 1 minus cos theta is 2 cos square 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. Substitute these two in this equation. Now, your dy by dx will becomes minus the value of sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಲ್ವಾ? ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 1 minus cos theta ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 2 sin square theta by 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. 1 of the sin theta by 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Truly, the value of dy by dx is equal to minus cos theta by 2 divided by sin theta by 2. Remember, the value of cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. So the final answer is minus cot theta by 2 will be answer. Got it? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಒಂದು 5 ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 5 ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಟಾನೋ ಟೀನೋ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭದ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನು 2ನೇ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ dy by dx is equal to ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. and the remaining marks will be for simplification. Okay, and we shall continue few more problems in the next session.